wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best Kama Sutra books. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The little black book comes in a discreet size so you can slip it in your purse or carry-on to take with you on a romantic getaway. This book's designed to lie flat so you can consult it easily while your hands are, otherwise occupied. It includes tasteful drawings and great foreplay suggestions. However, there are no very adventurous poses. At number 5, Sex Positions is fully illustrated without showing any nudity for modest, conservative, or inexperienced couples who still want a satisfying sexual relationship. Before getting into the poses, there's a good chapter about the spirit and history of the original book. It offers 40 different positions and promotes closeness and intimacy, but some of the drawings are too vague. Coming in at number 4 on our list, couples looking to spice it up in the bedroom can benefit from a position a day. This book doesn't require a lot of reading, as each position is demonstrated by real models, and there's even a random selector that will give you recommendations based on your mood. It includes tips on how to enjoy each pose and is ideal for visual learners. Be aware that the photos are a bit racy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kama Sutra books, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. The Complete Kama Sutra is the first unabridged modern translation of the entire Sanskrit text. Unlike the classic English adaptation Richard Burton published in 1883, this one preserves the numbered verse divisions and the full explicitness of the original. It was translated by a fluent scholar and includes 12th century commentary, but it doesn't contain any illustrations. At number 2, while For Beginners doesn't much resemble the original Indian text, it does include several chapters outlining its basic history. This one also retains the spirit of the ancient tome of pleasure by incorporating lots of relationship advice. It's divided into beginner and advanced sections and features easy-to-understand descriptions. It makes a great gift for your partner. And taking the top spot on our list, The Complete Illustrated is edited by world-renowned Indian art scholar Lance Dane. The text is beautifully illuminated with 269 rare images of great works of art from museums and private collections around the world. It depicts all 64 postures and is an excellent book for art students. It's a sensual reading experience. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kama Sutra books, or simply click beneath this video.